Hello everyone, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Well guys, this is a video or the fifth video of our Toni Mahfud photo editing series, right? So guys, the very first thing you need to do is just capture this kind of photo at your terrace, at your home, and just create, mostly you have to wear that kind of moody dark or blackish photo or the outfits for the photo, and make sure you are clicking the photo at the sunset or sunrise. That is a very important thing in this editing, guys. If you will notice, mostly the Toni Mahfud's photo are mostly sunset or kind of backlight effects are mostly seen in his photos. So I have clicked this particular photo at sunset, right? So you can see the sunlight is actually coming on from one side of the face, which is making it look more cool. Now let's select the photo with the help of quick selection tool. So just click on the plus icon, roll all over the subject's body to make it selection. Guys, it will take a lot of time or to select the photo precisely. So you can just take your time to select your photo. With the help of pen tool also you can do minor very precisely editing. It will take up to half hour to cut out your photo. So I have already made a cutout. Here it is very important to select the hairs. So if you want to select the hairs, then all you need to do is just right click on it and select and mask option if you are using Photoshop CC version, right? Or if you are using below the CC, that is CS6 or CS5, then you will find the refine edge tool over there. Now I'm gonna select here refine and mask tool, and all you need to do is just click on the second brush, that is refine edge brush tool, and just roll on the edges of the hairs of the model to make that selection very precisely of the hairs. So it will automatically detect the hairs and it will select up the process, right? So as you can see, it is looking very perfect, and it has selected mostly the whole of the area of the hairs. Now just hit OK and you are done. Now just right click on it and select layer by copy option to make a duplication of the layer, or directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard. As you can see, guys, we have made a perfect selection of the hairs. So I have already made a cutout of the photo, right? So as you can see, now we are going to add a background to the photograph. So just go to the file, click on open, and let's just browse the background. This background, guys, you can just download it for free. This is very Toni Mahfud inspired kind of background, right? So you can just download it, and we're gonna just drag it and drop over here. So guys, here you need to very much see the difference, guys. As you can see, the sunlight is coming from this direction, that is right direction. So as you can see on the face, there is a sunlight. So here also there is a sunlight on the background. So all we need to do is just go to the edit, select the free transform, and we're gonna just flip it on the horizontal, because the sunlight is actually coming from this direction, right? Now we're gonna increase it, and we have to place this in such a way that it should look more kind of realistic, just like this way. So we're gonna just place this. You can increase the size of this. This is totally up to you, guys. Now as you can see the difference, guys, it is really looking very amazing. Let's just press shift key and we're gonna increase the size. Let's just place this somewhere over here and just hit OK, right? Now here we're gonna just leave the hairs as it is, because the whitish effect on this hair, it is very necessary, because it will create a lightish or backlight effect to the hairs. So just leave it as it is, right? Now here, guys, the next thing we are going to do is just first of all, let's just crop the photo. Just crop and just hit OK and you are done. Right, now let's just create a new layer. Select the brush tool and make sure to select the golden color over here. So just press Alt key to select this color. So white is golden color, we're gonna select it from here, or let's just select this color. Yeah, this color will be pretty perfect, golden cream yellow. Now just give one stroke of that color, change the blending mode to screen, press Ctrl T from the keyboard, and we are going to increase it a bit more, right? So it will create an amazing effect to the photograph, which will turn it kind of very cinematic backlight effect. That is very much necessary in this editing. Now here we are going to make another duplicate of the layer and just place it below above the subject layer. Just right click on it and select the create a clipping mask, so it will create a clipping mask on the subjects. Now here we are going to place it on the hairs of the model. So just decrease the size and we are going to place it somewhere over here. Change the blending mode to soft light. So as you can see, when we are adding this light, your face is looking kind of goldish, which is making a huge impact to the photo, which is very amazing, guys. So let's just place this on the hairs a bit and you are done. Right now you can see this one is looking very perfect and cinematic. Now here the next thing we are going to do is just go to edit, and we are going to add this snow falling particles. Just drag it and drop over here, change the blending mode to screen, and now we are going to add it only on the area, just like this over here. Now just remove the unwanted bigger particles from the image with the help of erasers. Select the soft round brush and just erase it. So I'm gonna just erase it whole. I just want to keep it on the area where the sunlight is actually there, right? So rest of the thing I'm gonna just delete it. Just like this way, guys. So as you can see, this is only affected on this layer or this area where the sunlight is actually there. It is making a very cinematic touch to the photograph. Now here the next thing we are going to do is, first of all, let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Again, let's just crop it once again with the help of crop tool and just hit OK. Now here, guys, we're gonna just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and here we're gonna apply the preset to the photo that is Johnny Adeline inspired, right? So you can just download this preset, FP Johnny Adeline inspired. I'll put the link of this preset in the description. So you can see the difference, guys. By adding the preset, your photo is totally looking very perfect and perfect cinematic touch to the photograph, really, guys. This one is really looking very dope. So you should use this in your editing game. If you want to add a vignette, you can totally add it. This is really making an amazing impact to the photo. So as you can see, this one is looking kind of very perfect. And if you want to add a grain, yeah, it is very important to add a grain to the photograph. So just add a grain to around 20%. So as you can see, by adding the grain, your photo is looking kind of very cinematic like Toni Mahfud. If you will notice, then mostly the Toni Mahfud skin contains a grainy structure on the face and on the whole process, right, on the whole skin and everywhere. So it is very much necessary to add a grain to the photo. And now just hit OK and you are done. Now here we are going to add a dodge and burn technique, right? So just make a duplication of the layer. So just press Ctrl J and we're gonna just name it as a dodge layer. Now change the blending mode to screen. Just right click on it and select blending options. Now here we have to move the slider from left to right until you get a perfect fade. Press Alt key from the keyboard so it will just get one more slider over here, otherwise you won't find this slider. So as you can see, when I'm adding this, it is really making a cool impact to the photo. Now again, just duplicate the original layer, change the blending. Now let's name it as a burn layer. Now change the blending mode to multiply. Just right click on it and select blending options. Now here guys, you have to move the slider from right to left. So just press Alt key and just it will open up one more slider and just make a perfect gradiented slider over here. So as you can see, it is making a cool impact and kind of touch of darkness. This is really very cool, guys. Now just hit OK and you are done. Now just merge both, just make a group of this both layers. So just press Ctrl G from the keyboard so it will make a group. Now here we are going to add a layer mask on the group. Go to the image and select the apply image. Now here you have to select, guys, the original layer, that is just layer 6. So select the layer 6 from here and just hit OK. So as you can see, by adding dodging and burning technique, your face is looking kind of very cool. Still you can, guys, adjust it over here, so you can see the difference. If you will do some more adjustment on this burn, so it will show up on the face. So as you are doing this process, you can just do it and just make it by yourself. This dodging and burning. Let's just make a dodge. So guys, you can adjust afterwards also this technique of dodging and burning. So this is totally up to you, guys. So as you can see, when I am moving the slider, it is making a huge impact to the photo. Now let's just see the before and after. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking kind of very cool, guys. So let's just keep this as it is. Now I'm gonna just keep this layer as it is, because I want that perfect dodge and burn effect. So here, guys, we have completed our process of making your photo an amazing photo, just like Toni Mahfud, backlight effect, a very cool and creative, amazing effect. So guys, here is the before and here is the after. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool videos like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, lots and many more cool stuff just like this for you guys for free. And if you still not visited my second website, that is filterpreset.com, so guys, do follow that website also, and you're gonna find new premium collection of presets over there also. And also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then, guys, be creative and be awesome.